ready to bring the iconic Friday Night Funkin' vibe to life. Then let's jump straight into crafting awesome FNF icons in Adobe Animate. First, fire up Adobe Animate and create a new project. Choose a square dimension like 512 by 512 pixels, perfect for icon clarity. Now, import or draw your base character. For this tutorial, I'm using a pre-made character. You can make your own or use a template to start. Next, we need to separate the key elements of your character into different layers. Think head, eyes, mouth, and any other features you want to animate independently. This allows for dynamic expressions like looking left, right, or singing. Group similar layers like left eye layers, right eye layers, etc. Now, create keyframes at different points in your timeline, let's say every 5 frames or so. In each keyframe, subtly adjust the position of the character's eyes or mouth to simulate movement. For example, move the left eye layers slightly to the left on one keyframe to make the character look left, and right eye layers in the opposite direction to make the character look right. Make sure to only change one keyframe at a time. Repeat this process for other expressions. Open the mouth slightly for singing, angle the head a bit for a stylish tilt. Keep the movement small and snappy, that's what gives FNF icons their distinctive charm. Repeat the process for other assets to bring them to life. Finally, loop your animation. Set the timeline to play continuously, and there you have it, your very own FNF icon, ready to be exported as a GIF or video for your projects. Experiment with different characters and expressions to unlock your creative potential. Don't forget to share your awesome creations in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy animating.